Doubles, double top. A double top is a reversal pattern that is formed after there is an extended move up. The tops are peaks, which are formed when the price hits a certain level that can't be broken. After hitting this level, the price will bounce off it slightly, but then return back to test the level again. If the price bounces off of that level again, then you have a double top. In the chart above, you can see that two peaks or tops were formed after a strong move up. Notice how the second top was not able to break the high of the first top? This is a strong sign that a reversal is going to occur because it is telling us that the buying pressure is just about finished. With the double top, we would place our entry order below the neckline because we are anticipating a reversal of the uptrend. Wow, we must be a psychic or something because we always seem to be right. Looking at the chart, you can see that the price breaks the neckline and makes a nice move down. Remember that double tops arc a trend reversal formation, so you'll want to look for these after there is a strong uptrend. You'll also notice that the drop is approximately the same height as the double top formation. Keep that in mind because that'll be useful in setting profit targets. Double bottom. The double bottom is also a trend. Reversal formation. But this time, we are looking to go long instead of short. These formations occur after extended downtrends when two valleys or bottoms have been formed. You can see from the chart above that after the previous downtrend, the price formed two valleys because it wasn't able to go below a certain level. Notice how the second bottom wasn't able to significantly break the first bottom. This is a sign that the selling pressure is about finished and that a reversal is about to occur. Ah, will you look at that? The price broke the neckline and made a nice move up. See how the price jumped by almost the same height as that of the double bottom formation? Remember, just like double tops, double bottoms are trend reversal formations. You'll want to look for these after a strong downtrend. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.